Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your REALME GT8 Pro keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. In such case, first of all, make sure that other devices around you, like your tablet, your laptop or your PC, can actually use this Wi-Fi network for internet connection, because if not, then it's definitely the issue on the side of your on your network provider, and there's not much you can do about it unless contact your internet provider and ask them about this issue, and when it will be resolved. And if your other devices can actually use your Wi-Fi network, then first of all, try restarting your REALME by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time, then swiping the circle up to restart your smartphone, and then wait until the device is restarted. Then check your Wi-Fi connection once again, and if you still are having issues with your Wi-Fi, then try swiping down the control center and enabling the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then disable it and let your device reestablish the connection with your Wi-Fi network. And if this won't help you, then what you can do is go to settings, then go to your Wi-Fi, then check Wi-Fi assistant and try disabling all these Wi-Fi speeding up features like auto connect to the best Wi-Fi or auto switching to mobile network, and also dual channel network acceleration. Try disabling them and then reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network, and if you still have any issues, then tap the information icon next to your Wi-Fi network and then select forget to forget this network. After that, select it on the Wi-Fi list once again and enter the password to it. And after entering the password, tap save to connect to this network and see if you're still having issues. And if you do, then what we should do in such case is go to System and Update, select Backup and Reset, then Reset Phone, and here select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. However, be aware that this will also reset your saved Bluetooth devices, so you're gonna have to repair them once again. And right now, use your fingerprint to confirm or enter the password to confirm. And after that, after the network reset is updated, go to Wi-Fi, select your network once again provide a password to it and tap save to connect to it. And after that, the issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.